Friends, welcome back to Guru Basava classes of class 8th grade. In the previous session, we were discussing about the chapter number 1, that is rational numbers. And also we discussed about representation of rational number on a number line by using examples, and also we discussed about rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, in this session I am going to discuss with you about exercise 1.2. Yes, first main, represent these numbers on the number line. Yes, which are those? First one 7/4 and second one is minus 5/6. Okay, solution. First one, a rational number 7/4 means 7 of 4 equal parts. That is, we make 7 markings of distance 1/4 each on the right of 0. Why? Because the given rational number 7/4 is positive one. Therefore, we have to consider the marking on right side of the 0. And starting from 0, the 7th marking is 7/4. Okay, let us draw that one. Yes, consider a number line here. Consider this point as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, yes. Now we will divide each number by 4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4 and 7/4. Okay, this is the number line. Now see here, we make 7 markings of distance 1/4 each on the right side of 0. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th marking. It represents 7/4. Okay, dear students, understood? You have to solve this. Okay. Okay, dear students, now I will give you hint about second one. See here, what they asked us to represent minus 5/6 on the number line. We have to make 5 markings of distance 1/6 each on the left side of 0. Okay, and starting from 0, the 5th marking is minus 5/6. Next, we will move to second main. Represent minus 2/11, minus 5/11, minus 9/11 on a number line. We make 9 marking of distance 1/11 each on the left of 0, and starting from 0, the second marking represents minus 2/11, the 5th marking represents minus 5/11, the 9th marking represents minus 9/11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this is 9. Okay, 0 left side means this will be minus, the numbers with negative sign. Okay, yes. Now what we have to do, we have to divide it by 11. 0/11 is, again it is 0. Yes, like that. Minus 3/11, minus 4/11, minus 5/11, minus 6/11, minus 7/11, minus 8/11, minus 9/11. Starting from 0, the second marking here, first, second, it represents minus 2 by 11, like that. Fifth marking, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. What it represents? It represents minus pi by 11. Okay, yes, like that. For ninth marking, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, ninth marking, what it represents? It represents minus 9 by 11. Okay, we'll move to third main. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, we have to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, now I will draw one number line here. Consider this point as 0, this as 1, 2. 0 right side will be positive numbers and 0 left side will be negative numbers. Okay, this is a number line. Yes, they asked us to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, that means we have to move left side of 2. It will be 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1, and so on. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2 are 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1. Fourth main. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, we have to find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Solution? Yes. Given rational numbers are minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, yes, since the denominator of both rational numbers are different, therefore we have to take LCM. Okay, therefore LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Okay, see here, minus 2 by 5. Yes, if we multiply 5 by 2 means we will get 10 or not? Okay, yes. Then multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, we will get it as minus 4 by 10. And next one, 1 by 2. To get a denominator 10, what we have to multiply to 2? We have to multiply 2 by 5. That means we have to multiply numerator also by 5. That is 1 by 1 5 is a 5, 2 5 is a 10. Okay, now we got the rational numbers with same denominator, that is minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. In between these two numbers we are not getting 10 rational numbers. Okay, further what we have to do? Again consider minus 4 by 10 and multiply numerator and denominator by 2. What will get here? Minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 10s are 20 or 10 2s are 20. Okay, and yes, 5 by 10 multiply numerator and denominator by 2. What will get here? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Okay, yes, therefore 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are, see here, if you draw a number line, yes, here it is minus 8 by 20. Next number will be minus 7 by 20, next minus 6 by 20 and so on, 0, 1 by 20 up to 10 by 20. Okay, what we have to write? We have to write 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Therefore, you can consider rational numbers from minus 7 by 20 to 9 by 20. Okay, yes, just write down any 10 rational numbers. That is minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, 0 by 20, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20, 9 by 20. Therefore, these are the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Understood? Yes. Dear students, now we'll move to fifth main, that is find 5 rational numbers between, yes, first one 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, second one 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, third one 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, now I am solving first one. Yes, solution. First one, the given rational numbers are, the given rational numbers are, yes, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, dear students, if you look at the denominators of these two rational numbers, are the denominators are same? No. Okay, therefore we have to consider LCM. Okay, LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 2 by 3 multiply numerator by 5 and denominator by 5. What will get here? 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Okay, consider next rational number, that is 4 by 5. Okay, dear students, now we will multiply 4 by 5, both numerator and denominator, by 3. Okay, why? Because here denominator we have to get it as 15. That means 5 3s are 15. Okay, yes, numerator 4 3s are 12. They asked us to find 5 rational numbers, but what we are getting here, in between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, only one rational number is there, that is 11 by 15. Okay, but we don't want this, we want 5 rational numbers. That means again what we will do here, again, okay, yes, 10 by 15 I am multiplying it by both numerator and denominator by 4. Okay, what will get here? 10 4s are 40 divided by 15 4s are 60. Okay, and yes, another rational number, what we are having here, 12 by 15. Okay, yes, multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. What will get here? 12 4s are 48 divided by 15 4s are 60. Okay, yes, in between 40 by 60 and 48 by 60, how many rational numbers we are getting? Hardly we are getting 7 rational numbers. Okay, but they asked us to write only 5 rational numbers. Okay, 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are as follows. Yes, 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60. Okay, these are the 5 rational numbers. Now we will solve second one. Solution. Yes. If you look at the denominators of two rational number, that is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, the denominators are different. For that reason, converting them into rational numbers with same denominators. For that reason, we will take LCM of 2 and 3, that 6. Okay, see here, minus 3 by 2, multiply numerator and denominator with 3. Okay, what we will get here? Minus 9 by 6 we will get. And next another one rational number, 5 by 3. To get denominator 6, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply denominator with 2. That means we have to multiply numerator also with 2. Okay, yes, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. See here, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, and so on. 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, and so on up to 10 by 6 it is there. Okay, among these only we have to write 5 rational numbers. Thus 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are, yes, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6, 5 by 6. You can write any 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay, dear students, third one you have to solve. You move to sixth main. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Okay, yes. Solution. Find rational numbers greater than minus 2 are. We will draw a number line. That means you will get very easily. See here. Yes. 0, which is neutral. 0, right side will be positive numbers. 0, left side will be negative numbers. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, they asked us to write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Okay, greater than minus 2 means we have to move right side of minus 2. Okay, right side of minus 2. Yes, then first rational number will be minus 3 by 2, second will be minus 1, and third will be minus 1 by 2, fourth will be 0, and fifth will be 1 by 2, and so on. Okay, they asked us to write only 5 rational numbers. Okay, for that reason, yes, 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 are minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Okay, yes, now we'll move to seventh main. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. We have to find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, yes. Solution. given rational numbers are 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Since the denominator of the given rational numbers are not same, okay, therefore we'll consider LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Okay, yes. Now converting the rational numbers with same denominators, what will get here? First rational number 3 by 5, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4 to get 20. Okay, denominator is 20. Yes, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Yes. Next consider 3 by 4. What we have to multiply? Yes, we have to multiply by 5. That means what will get here? 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Multiplying both numerator denominator by 5. Okay, yes. Now in between 12 by 20 and 15 by 20, how many rational numbers we are getting? We are getting only 2 rational numbers, that is 13 by 20 and 14 by 20. But we need 10 rational numbers. Okay, for that reason, what we will do here? Again 12 by 20 into. Okay, now I am multiplying both numerator and denominator by 8 here. Okay, yes, 12 8s are 96 divided by 28 is 160 and 15 by 20. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 8 here. Okay, here students, 15 8s are 120 divided by 28 is 160. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 8. Thus, ten rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are, yes, 97 by 120, 98 by 120, 99 by 120, 100 by 120, 105 by 120, 106 by 120, 107 by 120, 108 by 120, 109 by 120, 110 by 120. You can write any 10 rational numbers. Understood? Thank you.